I'm about to go weigh myself. And then I'm gonna go back out here to this walk. Y'all, hello. Today is the first day of my 90-day juice fast. I'm not feeling fantastic. My stomach hurts. I'm low on energy a little bit. I'm not feeling super motivated, but I'm getting after it. I drank a cup of tea. My stomach hurts. I didn't get much sleep last night. I really like to eat to calm my mind down. I'm out here getting me some sunshine. Day 1 is always the worst. Day 2 is where you get a headache and you have to just lay there all day. Day 3 is when the headache kind of clears a little bit. Mostly, I'm not hungry at all right now. I just drunk. Drinking tea really does fill me up. Like, I feel super full. And it's crazy too, because I started back playing pickleball like a month ago, which means my metabolism is back way, way up. This is a very difficult task that I'm doing, but I need discipline. I really do. After this 90 days, my hope is that I'm more disciplined and I'm just an overall better person. Anyways, now I'm about to weigh myself. The last time I did a juice fast, I was under 140. I'm clearly 160. But that's where we are for the start of this here journey. We're at 160. I feel incredibly unmotivated to do anything. All right, y'all. This is the moment I've been waiting for a while. I'm starting my little garden. I just finished breaking up some good compost over there on the other side of the garden. I'm probably going to plant some sunflower seeds over there. I'm about to start my little strawberries here in the front of the house. This is day 1 of my juice fast, so once my harvest starts coming up, I'll probably be able to eat some food by then. I'm really thinking when watermelon season comes in, I'm gonna probably eat that, and by the time my strawberries come up, I'll eat that. So that's what I'm about to do, about to get my shovel and break up a little plot. I also have some wood chips that have been soaking for a while, so I'm probably gonna put those up too. So here we go. Y'all, this is my granddaddy's garden tool. Lord knows I missed this thing on it. Thanks for showing me how to be a gardener. I love you. Ooh, y'all, this is tiring. Ooh. But it's a dirt, I guess you can't. Heaps of it right there. Okay, people, thank you so much for joining me with my little start of the garden. I planted me some nice little strawberries. I had a good time. Today is day one of my juice fast, and I really needed something else to do, so I wouldn't think about food, so that worked. Thank you again for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one.